Hi friends, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela Web Dev. In this video, we will learn about another operator that is nothing but take operator. So this take operator is one of the filtering operators. So this comes under the category of filtering operators. If I open this take operator, and here it is the description of this take operator. Now what is the explanation of this take operator is take emits only the first count values emitted by the source observable. So that means what it is saying, so that if a source observable is present, it will take only the first count values, the whatever the count you have mentioned, the number count is nothing but it takes the number, the first count values, so the first number, first the count values, whatever the data it has been emitted by the source observable, it will take only those values only, and remaining all values after the count, whatever the data it is emitted by the source observable, it is discarded. So the immediately the observable is completed. Now if you take this take operator, what are the things the take operator accepts is it takes only one parameter, that is nothing but count. So this is the count. What we have learned about this first count values, right? The count is represents this one only. And now here, what is this returns here? It returns a observable. So a function that returns an observable. So this is the take operator takes the data from the observable and returns a new observable with the data. And now description. If you consider this marble diagram, so if you take a look at this marble diagram, at the top you are having so the source observable here. So this is A, the source observable is emitting the values A, B, C and D. So now you have used a operator take of 2. So that means it should take only the first two values. That is the thing we have learned, right? So first count values, the count here is 2. So it will take the first two values from the source observable and it will emit the values one by one, whatever the value it has taken from the source observable, it emits one by one as an observable here. So A it took as an data and it emit as an observable as A. B it took and the count has reached the 2, so 2 has reached the second data it is receiving and it emits that observable with a data 2 and immediately it completes the observable. So that means the whatever the source observable you are having, it takes only the first count values. First count means whatever the number you have mentioned, those values only it will take. Now here you will be able to understand take returns an observable that emits only the first count values. So here it is 2 values emitted by the source observable. Now if you need to understand that here you are having something like 5, take of 5, but here the source observable emits only the 4 values and immediately it completes. So that means fifth value is not generated. So here the count what you have mentioned is greater than the values what is emitted by the source observable. So then what will happen? So what about this fifth data? What it will try to do is when the source observable is completed, automatically the data what it has received, it will emit all the data and this one will complete. This one also will complete. That is the thing it is mentioning. If the source emits fewer than the count values, fewer than the count value means, so here if you are having 5, so it is not giving 5, it is giving only the fewer than the count value. Then all of its values are emitted. After that it completes regardless of the source, if the source completes. If the source is completed, then this observable also will completed. So now we will try to take a look at this operator in the practical. Now here what I will try to do, so here I will create ng-gc pages slash take operator. So now I am creating a new component take operator so that you will understand it easily. So for the time being what I will try to do is, so here in the operators.count.html I will add a link so that you will while seeing the code, while taking update of my code, you will be able to understand very easily. So you can take a look at this one take operator, and let's go to the app routing also. I will add a routing also here. So here it will be take, and this one it should take operator component, right? So now let's go to this component, or otherwise first let's see the output. So if I try to see the output here in the operators, I am able to have this take, and this is the take operator works. Now if I go here, if I go to this take operator, where is this take operator? Yeah, and in this take operator component TS, I will have an interval of 500. So for every 500 milliseconds it will emit the value of 0, 1, 2, 3 like this. So this is also one creation operator actually. Now here I will do the subscribe. of data, and if I try to do console.log of data, so now what could be this output? So it will try to emit all the values 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 until this interval is completed. So interval will not be completed. Why? Because it will emit the values going on, emit the values like that only 1, 2, 3, 4 unlimited thing. So now what I want is, so I want to take only the first 5 values of this interval, and then I need to complete it. So now what we can do, so there it comes the pipe operator. We have already used this operator few times in the previous courses, but I am explaining you. So take off the count I need to mention, so that means 5, and this take operator should be imported from the rxjs/operators. Now here I took the take off 5 and I am subscribing the data. Now if you refresh this page, what will happen? Let's try to see. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, sorry, I didn't saved it or what? Yeah, I didn't save it. So I have saved it this one. So now let's try to refresh this. Yeah, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it stops. So that means it is emptying the first 5 values of this interval and it stops. So if you want to take a look, so you can also have this complete method also. We know that, right? First parameter is the subscription, and second parameter is the error. So if you don't want to mention this error, you can mention it as a null. So here second one is the error, and third one is the complete. So if you try to see console.log complete, so I will write something like this. Okay, if you try to see this one here, what it is happening, let's set it. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it is completed. So you'll be able to see about this complete also. So that means the take of 5 operator will take the first 5 values from this interval, and after taking these 5 values, after emptying this one as an observable to the data, and immediately it will trigger the complete whenever afterwards it taking the 5 values. Okay, so this is all about this take operator. So I will commit this code in the branch of 19-video. So whenever you have a doubt or you want to take a look at these all operators, so I will be posting all the code in my github.com/Leela Narasimha. So you can take a look at this GitHub account, and in this repositories you will be having all the repositories what I am teaching in this YouTube courses. So here in the rxjs-basics, if you go to check the branches, you will be having all the branches. So in these branches, each video has a separate branch, so that whatever the code I have explained in that particular branch, you will be able to find all the data. So all the code what I have explained in the particular branch, you will be able to see in that particular branch. So this main branch will have updated code. So the latest updated code up to the here what I have mentioned, everything you are having. So if you want to go to that particular code, what is the code present at that particular video means, you can go to this particular branch and you can check it. Okay, hope you understood about this one. So if you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video, and if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.